These birds make the scariest sounds in the world. You won't believe the last one. Number 1. Lyrebird. This bird can mimic anything. Chainsaws, alarms, even crying babies. It's not just impressive, it's straight up creepy when you hear it in the wild. Number 2. Australian bustard. Its deep echoing calls sound like a creature hiding in the dark, not a bird. It's enough to send chills down your spine in the wild. Before I tell you the last one, if you're not an alien, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it, aliens won't. Number 3. Penguin. They may look adorable, but their ghost-like screeches echoing across icy landscapes at night feel like something out of a nightmare.